Today we will be doing a skin fold assessment. Skin fold measurements are used to determine the amount of subcutaneous fat that is located directly below the skin and can be used to determine body composition. The 7 skin fold sites are the triceps, subscapular, suprailiac, chest, abdominal, mid-axillary, and thigh. When taking skin fold measurements, make sure all measurements are made on the right side of the body. Mark sites with pen or marker, pinch above or below the mark. Do not pinch muscle and do not pinch skin. Also, make sure to place capillars 1 centimeter away from the thumb and index finger. Measure halfway point between crest and base. Take reading within 1 to 2 seconds. We'll begin with the triceps skin fold site, which is at a vertical fold on the posterior midline of the upper arm, halfway between the shoulder and elbow, with the arm held freely to the side of the body. The subscapular skin fold site will be at a diagonal fold at a 45-degree angle, 1 to 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. The next site would be for the chest and pectoral. Make sure to use a diagonal fold, 1/2 the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for men, or 1/3 for the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for women. For the mid-axillary fold, make sure to use a vertical fold on the mid-axillary line at the level of the xiphoid process of the sternum. An alternate method is a horizontal fold taken at the level of the xiphoid and sternal border in the mid-axillary line. For the abdominal measurement, the skin fold site will be at vertical fold 2 centimeters to the right side of the umbilicus. The suprailiac measurement should be taken at a diagonal fold in line with the natural angle of the iliac crest taken in the anterior axillary line immediately superior to the iliac crest. Lastly, the thigh measurement is at vertical fold on the anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and the hip. In addition, make sure all weight is on left leg and right leg is limb. For accuracy and consistent results, it is best to wait 1 or 2 minutes before taking measurements at a certain site again. Take the 3 measurements recorded at each site and calculate the mean. You will add up the means of the 7 sites to use the following formulas. The formulas shown before you depict how to obtain your body density for the 7 skin fold site measurement. Notice that both the formulas for the men and women have slight differences. Nonetheless, the sum of the 7 skin fold sites should be taken and inputted in the space where it sums skin fold sites. After the body density equations, have the Surrey and Brozak equations for calculating body fat percentage from body density. The Surrey equation is body fat percentage equals 495 divided by the body density, all subtracted by 450. The Brozak equation is body fat percentage equals 457 divided body density, all subtracted by 414.2. That is the procedure for the 7 skin fold site assessment.